You're watching how to see full call history on iPhone. Open the phone app on your iPhone and tap the recent tab at the bottom. This shows your call history, but it is limited to the last 100200 calls, depending on your carrier and iOS version. To see a more extensive history, you need to access your detailed call log from your phone carrier. Each carrier provides this differently. A common method is to log into your carrier's account online or through their official app. For example, with AT&T, log into the My AT&T app, go to My Usage, then Call and Message Log. For Verizon, use the My Verizon app and check usage details. T-Mobile users can check in the T-Mobile app under Usage. You will likely need your account password. This online log can show calls over several months. Another option is to check your iCloud backup or a sync device if you have call history syncing enabled. On a Mac with the same Apple ID, open the FacetTime app. It can show a call history log that includes phone calls. To export your iPhone's existing log, you can use a third-party app from the App Store that backs up call history, but this requires granting access. Note that iPhone does not native list or a permanent unlimited call log on the device itself. Older entries are automatically deleted to save space. For more simple computer tutorials, subscribe to the channel.